Okay, students, after understanding or learning the article regarding the judicial noticeable facts, so in Article 111, court should take the notice, judicial notice of certain facts. So one thing remember in Qanun e Shahadat, facts, the relevant facts, always, as we have discussed in Article 18, relevant facts always produced before the court, and thereafter we have also learned that facts can be proved by oral evidence or as well as documentary, primary or secondary documentary evidence. So, and thereafter court can also presume the certain facts, and after learning the presumption, in this scheme of articles, what we have understand what the new thing unfold before us. Say facts, not only we prove the facts, but also court will pursue and court will take the judicial notice. So there's a little bit difference. What is the judicial notice? It means the court will take the judicial notice of court made the discussion power 100, Article 111. The court under the discussion power will take the judicial notice initially of the certain facts, and thereafter another article, Article 112, which is contain the court mandatorily court shall take the judicial notice the list of facts on which court will take the judicial notice. So under as per the under 112 facts of which court must take judicial notice. Subarticle 1, the court shall take judicial notice of the following the facts. So I'm going to share with you that slide, and wherein the detailed understanding of the article 112 has been described. For the sake of your convenience or your understanding, here is the slide where you can easily understand what thing we are studying or reading in this so here, yes. So in order to understand the correct meaning of the section or Article 111 or Article 102, they should be taken together. Article 111 lays down the when a fact which is relevant in a case is of such a nature that the court may take judicial notice of it. No evidence in proof of it should be given, and Article 112 gives a list of facts of which the court must take judicial notice. So here the list I'm going to read out for the sake of your understanding, but the list has been provided in the Article 112. So on that ambit facts, court should take the judicial notice. So number one, all Pakistan laws, जितने भी पाकिस्तान के statute. Yes, students, due to interruption, our video was interrupted, so I'm going to continue where we have stopped. So here is the slide. So students, in Article 112 Clause A, there are the all Pakistani laws, statutory laws, which are published, which are gazetted, which are passed by Parliament, thereafter notified. Those are the proper laws. So the court will take the judicial notice of the all laws of Pakistan, which are statutory laws. An article of the war for the armed forces, और जितने भी article of the war हैं for the armed forces, so court will initially take the judicial notice. And clause C है the course of the proceedings of the central legislature and any legislature established under any law for the time being force in Pakistan. तो जितने भी प्रोसीडिंग्स हैं जो लेजिस्लेशन प्रोसेस की which has been defined in the Constitution of Pakistan कि how bill will present in the parliament and what procedure will be adopted regarding the legislation. So clause D of the article 112 of Qanun-e-Shahadat, the seal of all courts in Pakistan and all courts, this is the जो है article clause 5 or clause D. The seal of all courts in Pakistan and all courts out of Pakistan established by the authority of the federal government or government representative. The seals of court of admiralty and maritime jurisdiction of the notaries public, and all seals which any person is authorized to use by any act or regulation having the force of law in Pakistan. The accession in office, this is the another clause E of the article 112 Qanun-e-Shahadat. The accession to office, names, titles, functions, and signature of the persons filling of time being any public office in Pakistan, if the fact of their appointment to such office is notified in the public gazette. And thereafter, clause F, the existence, title, and national flag of every state or sovereign recognized by the federal government. The division of time and the geographical division of the world and public festival, facts, and holidays notified in the official gazette. Clause H of Article 112 Qanun-e-Shahadat, the territories under the dominion of Pakistan. And clause I, the commencement, continuance, and termination of hostilities between Pakistan and any other state or body of persons. Clause J, the names of the members of the officers of the court and their deputies and subordinate officers and assistants, and also of the officers acting in execution of its process, and of all advocates and other persons authorized by law to appear or act before it. And the last one is the clause K, the rule of the road on land or at sea. So all these facts, initially court will take the judicial notice. They are not required to prove those facts by producing any document or any oral evidence. So without giving proof regarding these facts, court will take. इसलिए तो एक maxim है कि judge should wear the all laws of his state on his sleeves. कि वो भी जुडिशल ऑफिसर्स होते हैं, उनके लिए लाजमन है कि वो मुल्क के जितने भी कवानीन हैं वो उसको अपनी स्लीव्स के या फिंगर टिप्स पे उनको पता होना चाहिए. सो इसलिए कि उसका जुडिशल नोटिस प्रूडेंट माइंड जो है वो तब ही ले सकता है जब आपको उसकी नॉलेज हो. जुडिशल नोटिस का मतलब है कि कोर्ट जो है किसी चीज को परसीव करे अपनी नॉलेज से. उसके लिए कोर्ट को जो है किसी भी थर्ड सोर्स से उसको प्रूव करने की कोई उसको कोर्ट को रिक्वायर्ड ना हो. तो इसका जो मेन इसका यही जो एम एंड ऑब्जेक्ट जो है जुडिशियल नोटिस का. तो उसका जो सब आर्टिकल 2 है, इन ऑल केसेस रेफर्ड इन द क्लॉज 1 एंड आल्सो इन ऑल मैटर्स ऑफ द पब्लिक हिस्ट्री, लिटरेचर, साइंस और द कोर्ट में रिजॉर्ट for its aid to appropriate books or documents of the reference. For if the court is called upon by any person to take judicial notice of any fact, it may refuse to do so unless and until such person produce any such book or document as it may consider necessary to enable it to do so. So इसमें जो further what will be the effect, अब इसका effect को क्या होगा? Judicial notice is not conclusive proof of fact. Judicially notice matters may be disapproved even after they are taken judicial. अगर इसका जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर किसी फैक्ट का कोर्ट जो है उसका जुडिशियल नोटिस जो है वो ले ले तो वो एक कंक्लूसिव प्रूफ हो जाएगा. इस प्रूफ को जो है रिबटल के जरिए यू कैन डिसप्रूव इवन आफ्टर दे आर टेकिंग. तो डिसअप्रूव के लिए कि जो आप नॉलेज है कोर्ट की तो उसको किसी फर्दर नॉलेज से इसको आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं. अब उसके बाद जो आर्टिकल है, ये 3 आर्टिकल हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, 111, 112 और ये थर्ड वन जो आर्टिकल है, दिस आर्टिकल एज पर दी कंटेंट्स ऑफ द आर्टिकल 30, उसकी हेडिंग है कि फैक्ट्स एडमिटेड नीड नॉट टू बी प्रूव। अब व्हिच फैक्ट्स एडमिटेड, फैक्ट्स जो है एक तो ओरली वर्बली आप एडमिट कर रहे हैं या बाय राइटिंग्स, जिस तरह प्लीडिंग्स के जरिए जो है, जिस तरह एक आर्टिकल 30 से 43 तक हमने जो रूल्स और हमने जो कवानीन है, जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, वी हैव डिस्कस इन आर्टिकल 30 टू आर्टिकल Yeah, sorry students, again there's a network interruption. So now I'm going to again share a slide with you. Yes. Yes, here this is the last article regarding the this chapter. So this is the part 2 and chapter number 7. Part 2 and chapter number 7. Actually, we are discussing. So in article 113, article 113 is related with the आर्टिकल 32, आर्टिकल 40, जहाँ पे हमने एडमिशन और कन्फेशन से रिलेटेड जो प्रिंसिपल्स है वो अब डिस्कस किए थे। तो व्हाट अब ये है इसका इफेक्ट, आर्टिकल 113 जो है इसमें इसका इफेक्ट जो है यहाँ पे ये है कि व्हाट विल बी द, अब आफ्टर अगर कोई इस सेक्शन, अब the definition is per the this article section, this section lays down a principle that what is the admitted need not to be proved. One fact, अगर एक फैक्ट जो है वो एडमिटेड है, कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, तो फिर उसको जरूरत नहीं है प्रूफ करने की या उसको के लिए कोई एविडेंस लाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। The court has to try the question on which the parties are at issue, not those on which have to agree. तो इसकी मतलब ये हो कि कोर्ट जो है वो जो मैटर्स डिसाइड करती है जिसमें पार्टीज इशू में होती हैं, पार्टीज को जो है जिस पे पार्टी डिस्प्यूटेड होती है, वो नहीं चीज जिस पे पार्टीज एग्री करती हैं, जिस पे कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, उस पे कोर्ट जो है कोई एविडेंस नहीं कॉल करेगी। कोर्ट विल कॉल द एविडेंस एंड कोर्ट विल try to solve the controversies between the parties on the point of issue which are disputed. So these admission are said to be formal admission or judicial admission has to given during trial, either at or before the hearing. So section runs as follows: no fact need to be proved in any proceedings which the parties thereto or their agents agree to admit at the hearing, or which before the hearing they agree to admit by any writing under their hands, or which by any rule of the pleading in force at the time they are deemed to have admitted by their pleadings, provided that the court may in its discretion require the facts admitted to be proved otherwise than by the such admission. So article 113 classifies the judicial admissions which require no proof into the following: number 1, facts which parties or their agents agree to admit at the hearing; facts which before the hearing they agree to admit in writing; and facts which they are deemed to have admitted by the rules of pleadings. So what we have conclude, the general rule is that every fact on which a party relies must be proved either by oral or documentary evidence. However, this general rule is subject to following 3 exceptions. Number 1, fact of which is the court take judicial notice, fact admitted, and facts which the law presume in favor of the party and need not to be proved. एक तो वो अच्छा जिस एज पर दी 3 एक्सेप्शन वो कौन सी है? अच्छा इसमें व्हाट वी हैव के हर फैक्ट जो है आपको कोर्ट में प्रूव करना है, लेकिन देयर आर 3 जो एक्सेप्शंस हैं वो एक आर्टिकल 111 में है, आर्टिकल 113 में है, और दूसरे वो फैक्ट जो कोर्ट जो है किसी के फेवर में जो है प्रज्यूम कर लेती है। तो ये तो था इसके जो टेक्स्ट था, हमने जो इन आर्टिकल से रिलेटेड हमने स्टडी किया। अब आप आ जाए जो है इसको हम फर्दर जो डिस्कस करते हैं आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द केस लॉ।